I'm Ben from Panda. I'm a physical therapist, been doing this for 20 years. I started my career in chronic pain and spine care, but now really heavily involved with high-level post-collegiate athletes. I think the thing that we do well and the thing that we focus on is community first. Before anyone comes to see us, we try to make sure that they understand that we're on their team. They are going to be taken care of, whether that's mind, body, and soul. Well, to be honest, I didn't think that my business was at that level where we could have our own app. When I met with Vyten and we talked a little bit about what my business looked like and how I could potentially grow through an app, it started to make sense. And after a lot of conversations and some time, that's how I ended up with an app. The majority of the work that I do is via text message when I'm communicating with clients, and that works to some extent. But at the same time, it's a little bit labor intensive on my end because I'm also treating full time, using the app to have a way to communicate with clients and really people that are looking to engage with Panda has been our outlet for that. Where this all started was making sure I vetted, was this company gonna be able to do the things that I needed it to do for my business, but do they have good intentions? And that's really what sold me on using Vyten for this. I wanted to make sure that it looked cool before I got excited, so I was telling people about it, but I wasn't really putting it out there that much. But when it went active on Google and the App Store, then it was kind of like this moment of oh my gosh, I have an app. That is so cool. When that thing got turned on and we got approved to be on the App Store, that's when I was like, game on, let's go. I had a lot of say-so, and I still have a lot of say-so. If I go to the developers or the project managers and I say something's off, they engage and they say, okay, well let's make it work for you. Let's figure it out, because we want you to be able to use this thing and push it forward and continue to use it and grow it and make it something that's really great for your business. Having an app keeps me at the forefront of what that looks like, so I don't become stagnant in what we thought was the way that we were gonna operate business. We are using the app to, again, engage people in what we're doing in Panda, out in the community, in other cities. At the same time, there needs to be an easier way for people to know how to schedule, reschedule, kind of see what I'm doing, kind of know what I'm about. The app that I have developed with Vyten, it actually helps people understand, okay, this is your portal so that you can get scheduled as soon as possible. And if you can't get scheduled as soon as possible, message Ben, message Panda, message one of your therapists so that they can get you in and you can get treated and taken care of as quickly as possible. My clients know how I am, and they know that if they text me that I'm gonna respond. And what's been nice is using the app has allowed them to just be able to quickly get in with me. And a lot of other healthcare businesses are using similar type things. So it kind of, again, aligns with what's going on in the market, which I think people really like. If I were to develop this app with other companies, that would dig into my revenue. So the fact that I was able to do it quickly, it got pushed out and we're good to go. And then it just gets adjusted as we kind of find little tweaks that we need to make. It's actually really wonderful. Interestingly enough, other business owners are consulting with me and wondering how they can help their business. And so I can speak to it now. These are the steps that I took. It didn't kill my budget, and it was able to be done quickly so that I can continue to operate my business. As a small business owner, you never know where it's going to go. You want to be respected in your field. Really what matters is that the people that look at your business see that what you're doing is legitimate. And I think that that's where it really all clicked. It was I have an app, you can engage with me. I'm behind it. I helped build this thing. The feedback is that's just really cool, right? To get to a point where a physical business that can enter into a digital space and engage with people That's kind of cool, and that's just the way our world has gone. If someone were to ask me if they should build an app with Vyten, I'd say 100%, because they are engaging, they help your business operate, and at the end of the day, they actually care that your business does well.